Okay, good morning. Here's this sunflower that's just been gracing our presence, just beautiful. It's been beautiful. It's grew in this pot. Look at this. It grew in this pot, and the stem is it's really strong, really thick. I don't know how that works, but it's not that big of a pot, and yet it has grown really big and strong. Right, and beautiful. Good morning to you. All those little seeds, those flowers in there. Amazing. Amazing. And this guy over here is getting a little old now. He's been out for quite a while now. It's been bright and beautiful. We honor our flowers. They want us to look at them, folks. They want us to look at them. Flowers want to be looked at. Do you know that? Yes, they do. In my garden out here, it's really starting to fade though. My garden is starting to fade. Even the newest flowers. Look at this. Looky. Looky. Okay, there's a long shot of that flower. Let's see how tall he is. iPhone wins for the best picture. Still takes the best picture. Still looking good back here. A little off-centered flower. Look at those birds up there. Bunches of them. Okay, continuing here. That guy's still looking good. He's bending over a little bit. There you go. Depth of field there. That iPhone is really a good camera phone. Good camera phone. Here's another little Home Depot flower. Looking nice. Still looking nice, but he's got kind of a curved head now. Kind of look like you got a curved head there, dude. I got the neighbor playing with his basketball. Dribbling his basketball this morning. Hey, Mr. B. I see you, Mr. B. It's a pretty background, isn't it? The sky and the clouds. These birds up there. Not sure what's going on with that. Looking good. Love that sky. Looks very pretty. Unexpected pleasure here this morning. Amazing. Isn't that an amazing shot? And here's my first flower. The seeds are back there. Can you see the seeds now? See? There we go. Seeds are ready for the birds. I want to harvest some of them too, but you see the process. All those flowers have withered away. The seeds have formed in the background. And that's how the anatomy of a sunflower works. You can really see those seeds good. Amazing. Isn't that amazing? Good morning. How are you guys doing? How are you this morning? How's it going, Mr. B? Get some B-roll. Here's another flower. Bright and beautiful. Bright and beautiful. And this guy is just hidden. He's hidden. He's sheltered from this other flower. But I see you. And I see you, Mr. Flower. Mr. Flower Power. One of my last flowers here is kind of thin. And my twin towers, you can see the seeds forming on them too. Boy, the birds are noisy back there. Look at that shot with the clouds. That is a good shot. Look at all the seeds here, folks. You can really see them there. See the seeds and the flowers that have faded away. It looks like the Statue of Liberty with those green leaves. That is pretty good. Wow. The anatomy of a sunflower. We've got it on full display here, folks. I need to eat breakfast. Here was my old Tex. Oh boy, he's all kind of shriveled up a little bit. Crispy petals now. Making for some great pictures, folks. And my recent sunny. Okay, let's get a shot of the helicopter. This Sunny. Boy, he's a big one too. Okay. Mr. Sunny. Incredible video. Incredible there. The anatomy of a sunflower, folks. You can still see the seeds back there too. They're hiding. Okay, folks, it's Sunday, September 29th. My dad's birthday's tomorrow, September 30th. He would have been, I think, 96. Oh my goodness, kind of dates me. Got up early this morning, went to chapel, so I up a little earlier with my garden. But it's another 90-degree day. It's almost October and it's still very, very warm here. But I'm enjoying it. It's like a return to summer. We're gonna go into October in the 90s. Never seen that all the time I've lived here, but hope you've enjoyed my garden this year. I don't know how many more updates I'll bring you, but I've been enjoying it. And I just love to see the growth and the sunflowers, the warmth of God's love. So God bless you. Thank you for watching these videos. Subscribe to this channel if you would, and share these videos, and even send me a comment. That would be a blessing. So God bless you. Have a great day. I'm going to go eat breakfast. $139 inches. 139 inches. That is 11 feet 7 inches.